declining an invitation and refusing an invitation. Hello there, this is me Vijaya Dash and welcome back to my another video. So today in this lesson we will learn about some alternative ways to decline an invitation that will help you to decline an invitation at your busy time very politely, because sometimes it's not possible for us to accept each and every invitation of us. So sometimes what we need to do, we need to just decline some invitation intentionally or unintentionally. We have to do it sometimes. So sometimes we became rude with some people. So in this case of declining an invitation, how can we do this very politely, and how can also we keep the opposite person very happy with the declining our invitation? So how can we decline an invitation very politely? This is our today's topic. So the topic of our today's lesson is about refusing or declining an invitation. I hope it will help you a lot to decline an invitation very politely. But the notice that I want to say to you, that is, all time you don't need to refuse, you don't need to decline an invitation. Sometimes when you are busy or you are not able to accept the invitation, that time you need to decline the invitation. So today we will learn about it, that how can we decline an invitation very politely. So let's get started. The first one is, I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. That means you are extremely sorry to refuse that invitation. So here you can say, I'm sorry to refuse your invitation. The next one, thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. Thanks for your invitation, but I'm busy now. The next one, sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. Sorry, I'd love to, but I have an appointment. The next one, I'm real sorry because I've got something else on. I'm really sorry because I've got something else on. I wish I could, but I've got an appointment. I wish I could, but I've got an appointment. So here, all alternative ways are implying that you are really eager for that invitation, but unfortunately you are not able to accept that invitation because of your appointment, your busyness, your job. You are not able to accept those. So both are implying a loss of politeness that you can show to opposite person. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you will practice those alternative ways at your home again and again, so you will not forget it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you love this video, so please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, and of course press the bell icon for my next video. Till then, ta-da!